How to fix Instagram Reels lag on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels lag on Android phone. First thing you need to do here is to click Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated. And now let's move to the next step. Go to settings and then scroll down, scroll until you find battery and click on it. Now disable power saving mode, and if you found here performance mode, just enable it and then go to apps and then apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop and then storage and clear cache. Now restart your phone and try again, and that will help you to fix your problem. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.